Hello, my name is Michael Dosman, and I am the Arnold Arboretum of Harvard University's Keeper of the Living Collections. It is my great honor to welcome all of you to the seed seminar being held at Chilipo Arboretum. It's wonderful to know that you are all gathering to better understand the role of seeds and seed collecting in seed preservation in order to address the biodiversity crisis that is in front of us right now. Sadly, 38% of the tree species on Earth are threatened with extinction. This is a statistic that's generated from Botanic Garden Conservation International, BGCI's State of the World's Trees Assessment. And this includes trees in the tropics as well as in the temperate areas, including your own Abies coreana. It's important, first and foremost, to preserve trees and shrubs and vines in their natural habitats. This is called in situ preservation. This allows those species to continue to evolve in their natural environments, and that must be our most important thing we do in order to preserve species. But sometimes that's not enough. We also have to participate in ex situ conservation, growing trees, shrubs, vines, other plants in botanical gardens and arboreta, but also collecting their seeds and maintaining them in seed banks or seed repositories. So in situ conservation and ex situ conservation are both essential work that we all must do. And that's work that Arnold Arboretum can do, Chilipo Arboretum can do, the Korean National Arboretum can do. All of these spaces, and here's pictures from the Arnold Arboretum, we have these different areas, different garden areas where we can grow plants from around the world. At the Arnold Arboretum, we have over 16,000 different trees, shrubs, and vines from around the world being grown here in Boston, Massachusetts. That's over 2,200 different species. And this includes over 7% of our trees, shrubs, and vines were collected in the wild in Korea. That includes the Abeliophyllum disticum, or Colereteria paniculata, or even the Stewartia pseudocamellia. We collect these plants on expedition, and including, just last autumn, we were joined by a number of different colleagues from different institutions. Here's Sung Chul Kim, a professor at Sungkwon Kwan University, where we were collecting seeds of Forsythia ovata. But later in the trip, we also collaborated with colleagues from Chilipo Arboretum to collect some plants that were growing locally there near Molipo and Amnyando. This is important work that we do. We collect those seeds, and of course we germinate the seeds, we grow them into plants, and eventually those seeds become the trees of the future growing in our arboretum. Right now, when it comes to plants of conservation concern, almost 3,000 plants growing in the Arnold Arboretum are threatened with extinction. That's over 250 different species being grown, and you can see all of them in the blue dots. Those are all plants that are now threatened with extinction. This is important work that we do. It's important work that you do. It's important work that Chilipo Arboretum does in order to study the plants from around the world, grow them on in our own collections, and of course share the information, just like all of you are sharing that information today. So I want to welcome all of you to the seminar. Have a great day, and please keep doing the great work that all of you do in order to save our threatened trees, shrubs, vines, and herbaceous plants from around the world.